Okay, so again, minimum values, it opens up, which means A is positive. And for maximum, it opens down, which means A is negative. Then find the minimum or maximum value. So the minimum maximum value, though, is not the x part of it. You got to do a little bit more work. It's the y part of the value of the vertex. So the y part of the vertex. That is where you will have your answer. Because when you look at this, for example, the minimum value is not -9. The minimum value for this one happens at -27. The minimum value for this one happens at 0. That's how you'll find that. All right. So first thing we need to determine is, does this have a minimum or maximum value? And to do that, we'll look at the a values yet again. For this one, my a is equal to 1/4, and my b is equal to 7. So because a is positive, this one opens up. So I'm going to have a minimum value. Now the question is, where is my minimum value? So let's find out. X is equal to negative b, so -7 over 2a, which is 1/4, which is -7 over 1/2, which gives me -14. Not my answer, though. I'm going to use this now. I'm going to plug it in. H of -14. So this function evaluated at -14 is equal to 1/4 times -14 squared plus 7 times -14 plus 11. Then you'll work that out and you'll get -38. So this function has a minimum of -38. That's the smallest value of this parabola. Okay, what I'd like for you to do is part B. So go ahead and press pause right now and then work that one out. Decide if it's minimum or maximum and then determine what that value is. Really, I do want you to press pause. Thanks. Okay, so truth be told, this is the problem that I'm going to be checking when I check to see if I'm going to be giving you a stamp or not. And you should have gotten a minimum value, and your x part was -4, and then when you plugged it in, you would have gotten -64. So this has a minimum value of -64. However, if you don't have any work like what we showed here and here, you probably won't get a stamp. So go ahead and show all the work that it takes to get this. Yes, this is the answer, but you need to show me some work. If you don't have enough room, use the back of this page or a separate sheet of paper, but that's what I'll be looking for. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you in class.